Hello techies, in this video we are going to convert a text to speech in Python with the help of IBM Watson text to speech Python software development kit. This is Eflin Stephen Raj. I am going to show the demo in this video. Without any delay, let's jump into IBM Cloud. Go to cloud.ibm.com. Then log in into the IBM Cloud account. If you don't have IBM Cloud account, you can create a new one. As soon as you logged into IBM Cloud, you will land on IBM Cloud dashboard. Go to the search bar, search for text to speech, then click on text to speech. This will take you to the creation page of IBM Watson text to speech service. Why we are using IBM Cloud over other cloud providers in the market? The main advantage of using IBM Cloud is IBM Cloud is providing a free plan. In this free plan, we can get free access to almost all the IBM Cloud services forever. Scroll down, enter a name for your IBM Watson text to speech service, then click on create button. Now go to the service credential, click on new credential, then click on add button. That's it. We successfully set up IBM Watson text to speech service. Now let's jump into Python. Now we are going to use Jupyter Notebooks. You can go with any Python IDE. To use IBM Watson text to speech service in Python, we need to install two Python modules. That is IBM Watson and IBM Cloud SDK core. To install these two Python modules in your system, enter pip install IBM Watson. To install IBM Cloud SDK core in your system, enter pip install IBM underscore cloud underscore SDK core. Now let's import text to speech from IBM Watson. From IBM Watson, import text to speech version 1. Now let's import IAM Authenticator from IBM Cloud SDK core. From IBM Cloud SDK core, authenticators, import IAM Authenticator. With the help of API key, we can access our IBM Watson text to speech service in Python. To do so, I'm going to define a variable. Then call IAM Authenticator. Then enter the API key. You can find your API key in IBM Cloud. Back to IBM Cloud, click on Service Credential 1, then copy the API key. Now I'm going to configure our IBM Watson text to speech service in Python. To do so, I'm going to define a variable. Then call text-to-speech version 1. Then for authenticator, I'm going to pass here my API. Then set the service URL for our service. That is IBM Watson text-to-speech service. You can find your service URL in IBM Cloud. Back to IBM Cloud, click on service credential 1, then copy the URL. Then paste it. That's it. Our IBM Watson text-to-speech service is ready to use in Python. Now I'm going to convert a text file to an audio file. To do so, I'm going to open a audio file, that is MP3 file. Now we are going to write this audio file with the help of IBM Watson text-to-speech service. Audio file dot write. Then now call our text-to-speech service dot synthesis. Then enter the text to convert. Then enter the file type, accept. Audio / mp3 dot get result dot content. Now run this command. That's it. Our audio file is successfully created. You can play this audio file.
Hello techies, subscribe to my YouTube channel.
That's it. We successfully converted the text file into audio file with the help of IBM Watson text-to-speech service. With this, we came to the end of the video. I hope the video will be useful for you to convert your text file into audio file with the help of IBM Watson text-to-speech service. For doubts and feedback, use the comment section. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can contact me on all the social medias. The links will be provided in the description section. You can visit my portfolio website. The website link is given in the description section. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.